I'm Richard Gray, CEO and co-founder of Brightday. Brightday has developed the first software to address posture and sedentary behavior in the workplace.
The goal of the whole software is to make you sit and feel better. That's why we onboarded the educational component and combined it with the tracking so that you're gaining awareness and knowledge at the same time. And that combination makes it so powerful.
It doesn't matter if you use sit-stand desks or work at home. Brightday goes with you wherever you go.
We use any webcam, even the one embedded in your laptop, to help you fix your posture. We don't save any video to the cloud. We don't record anything to the computer. And this is super powerful. Our breakthrough is we can use everyday off-the-shelf computers to do this very complicated thing of finding where you are in three-dimensional space.
Do you ever find yourself getting pulled into your work, slouching, leaning in a weird posture? Let me demonstrate how Brightday can help you avoid that, to stay energized, active, and in good posture as you get your work done. Brightday pops up in the morning automatically, at whatever time you choose. Now, press start. Get into your good position, making sure you're easily seen in the monitor here. Set your good position. And look, it's tracking you in real time, going left, going right, going in, and leaning back. Very simple. Once you are in your good position, the interface just disappears. You have the whole screen for your work. It only alerts you when you are out of your good position for some time, encouraging you to correct yourself, like this. We actually want you to move around. We want you to stay active and stretch a little, flex your arms and legs so that when you're out of your good position and Brightday doesn't pop up right away, that's not a mistake. We give you some time to correct and be in different positions. If you're frozen in a good posture for too long, Brightday will remind you to move around a little. The window pops up and just move a bit and boom, it disappears and you're energized. Brightday also indicates the time you've been working continuously. This circle represents 1 hour, and we give you break reminders after 50 minutes, 70 minutes, and 90 minutes. They just pop up quickly. Nothing that stops you from working, but just a nudge to take a break. By the way, if you take a break, you don't need to turn off or pause Brightday. It's smart. This way you get data about how many breaks you're taking. And this is going to encourage you to take more breaks during your workday. If the dot doesn't follow you, reset the posture. And if necessary, change the lighting a bit. By the way, you can also have your camera off to the side. Here you can see my laptop with the camera. You'll see Brightday on your big monitor, and you can set the posture by looking straight ahead. It's still tracking me.
Now that you understand how Brightday works, let's see how it helps you to improve over time. Think of Brightday as your personal trainer that helps you in 3 phases. 1. Assess where you are today without any Brightday assistance. 2. Improve while you work with all of Brightday's bells and whistles. And 3. Maintain your progress. Now download Brightday and get started. Everybody should have good posture and minimum sedentary behavior. This is just good wellness practice.